This is the first look at the Emotiva BasX A300. Now this is a power amp. It has two channels. It runs at 300 watts per channel into 4 ohms or 150 watts per channel into 8 ohms. Emotiva is by far one of the best companies, bang for buck. They do various things from speakers to amplifiers to everything in between. So let's take a look at what this person could do. Now Emotiva is designed and based in Nashville, Tennessee, America, and it will really show in their quality. So as you could see, this is double boxed, which is very nice when, you know, shipping. Makes you get that feeling. And I have to get up for this. Let's get rid of that box. All right. So here it is, as you can see, lovely wrapped. And there you have it. Oops. You've got the nice manual over there. And you've got this nice thing that actually says Emotiva on it. As you can see. So let's unbox this one. Unveil the beast inside. And there you have it. So this is a power amp. It uses the traditional big transducer over here. As I said, it's 2 channels. So we can see from the back. So the 2 channels, you've got, you know, your normal LFE, RCA inputs, and this is those 2 terminals, and normal standard power. It has the automatic for 115 volts or 230 volts inbuilt, so you don't have to play around with the fuse or anything like that. Here you got your status lights. So at the front here, you got you have 2 lights that light up blue when you connect one or two, and that just indicates how many channels is running. And also you've got your trigger inputs and outputs, which is very nice for when the unit is, you know, when you put it with your AV receiver. So when you switch on your AV receiver, that switches on, this automatically switches on, and when you switch it off, that switches it off. So you don't have to play with this button right here. And yeah, that's just a quick look at the Emotiva BasX A300. I will be reviewing this. I'll be playing with it for about a week or 2 in my system, and I will let you know how it sounds like.